Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and a warm welcome to issue 100, a big number of the Batman Tumbler. In this issue, we're doing the front side panel. I think it's the left, but the front bit that goes right to the very front. But first, we're going to look through the magazine, always, as we always do. Outliers since the 80s, especially since the 90s, and up to the present day. Two main Batman titles: Batman and Detective Comics. I didn't realize Detective Comics was still running. So that's interesting. I didn't realize it was running out of the 50s or 60s, but there you go. Bat versus Owl. Conclusion of Flashpoint. Fresh beginning. Yeah. There you go. All good things. So, yes, this is what we've got. The ERA, the Explosive Reactor Armor. And cylinders. So, yes. Okay. We've got to make the bit up. We've got to put the brackets in with the little clips, same as we did last time. And then, yes, there's the clips going on there. We've got the inner side clips in. Then we put the whole thing on, screw it in place with these pistons going in place. And then the outer panel goes over the top, finishes it off like that. Oh, it looks good from this side. I'll get this on, and then I'll see about putting the canopy on, just on, to get a picture of it from that side and see what it looks like. So next time, which is in the next pack, I haven't got yet, doing the same on the other side, and then knows. But for now, let me clear this out of the way and let's get this last stage built. Okay, so we've got parts again. These again seem to be different. One's longer than the other. The longer one is D, which goes on one side, and the E goes on the other. I hope I've got them all the right way around, but we'll find out in a minute. I'm just cutting these clips off of there. Don't need that bit. So these are going onto here. We've got D goes on the lower side here. That goes through there. And then the clip again goes on the top, just like we did on the other side. The other bit. I'm going to use a pair of tweezers, I think. Yeah, this time. The downside to using tweezers is it might ping. Can't get my fingers in the right places to get that in there. There we go. That should do it. Round again. Keeps turning. Come on. Very strange. Very annoying. Because it's got a slight raised piece that you're fitting it to. It's not going on quite straight. There you go. There's that one in there. Let's hope this one works just as easy. It's going to be just as difficult because it's also got a raised edge piece. Get that on there, but it won't just run flat like the other one did. That felt like it went on somewhere. It's gone on there. That's good. Right, so that's that. Then I need to turn the page. What to do next? Next, yes, it's just getting that on there. No screws required on this, but it obviously does need to go the right way around. I got that. I got that way round, and that way round, and that goes on there. Yeah. I think it's going to go that way round, isn't it? Showing it the picture the wrong way around, but then it shows it the right way around on the next bit. So that just pops in there. Like so. In a little bit further than that, I think. Right. So that is that with those connected now. That is going to go over there once it's screwed in place. So I need 2 screws. Put that in place. And I obviously also need hugeness of the car. So let me bring that up, see how I'm going to film it, see what it looks like. Okay, yes, that slots in place on there. So you've got this coming across the front. Covering over most of it. Oh no, that's underneath there. So that's the bit that we just put on. Yeah, so that covers over some of the exposed suspension, but you can still see it. And these 2 piston pieces, looks like I did get them the right way around. The long one has got to be down the bottom there. So they will actually move as the suspension moves up and down. This is bolted to the suspension. It's not yet, but it will be onto this bar here. So as that moves, it's only going to move a little bit, obviously, but this is going to flex a little bit there as well. So it's going to look pretty good. It's going to look pretty cool. So I need to get 2 screws in there. I can't do that on camera because I need my other hands to hold it up and get it there. So I'll get that in place, and then I'll show putting the panel back in place finally. And there we go. That's attached. Pistons are still in place. We've got this panel that just holds in place. Pins are distinctive sort of stealth look. And that is that. It's looking pretty impressive. It's looking very Batmobile. So that is it. And that is it for this issue. And indeed this delivery. I don't think there's anything else to go on the front there. I think that's pretty much it. Apart from the front, the top panel I've got here. It's going to go on there. That's pretty much it. Lots of wires to tidy up and sort out and figure out how that's going to attach. And we've still got the big post bit that goes in the back there for some reason. I don't know what that's for. This must have to go up. Does this go up and then the whole thing moves back? I really can't remember. I can't tell. But for now, that is what we've got. I shall get some pictures of it from the hero side. I'll get the wires tucked away out the way because at the moment they're pretty unsightly. But for now, that's another issue done, another month done, and I like it. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.
Yeah.